안녕하세요. Today, I'd like to start my lesson with simple conversation. Suru is asking Tuan if he likes the winter. Please repeat after me. Tuan 씨는 겨울을 좋아해요. Let's read one more time. Tuan 씨는 겨울을 좋아해요. In this sentence, 겨울 means winter. 좋아해요 means do you like. So this sentence means, do you like winter, Tuan? And Tuan says, 아니요, 안 좋아해요. One more time. 아니요, 안 좋아해요. That means, no, I don't like it. Let's read another conversation. This time, Tuan is asking Suru. Let's read together. Tuan says, 수루 씨는 공포 영화를 좋아해요. One more time. 수루 씨는 공포 영화를 좋아해요. 영화 means movie. 공포 영화 means horror movies. So this sentence means, do you like horror movies, Suru? And Suru says, 아니요, 안 좋아해요. Let's read one more time. 아니요, 안 좋아해요. No, I don't like it. That means, I think you already know what we're going to study today. Okay, in this video, we are going to study the grammar 안. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's study the grammar 안. This is a very simple grammar. 안 expresses the negative or the opposite of a verb or an adjective. You just put 안 before the verb or an adjective to express the negative meaning. You don't need to think about the word stem. Let's practice together. Can you read this word? We studied in our last video, right? Repeat after me. 매워요. 매워요. That means spicy. But if you want to say not spicy, how can you say? Simply put 안 before the word 매워요. So, let's read together. 안 매워요. One more time. 안 매워요. 매워요 means spicy. 안 매워요, not spicy. Quite easy, right? Another example. Salty food, we say 짜요. 짜요. That means salty. Okay, now how can you say not salty? Yes, just put 안. So, 안 짜요. Repeat after me one more time. 안 짜요. That means not salty. So, did you understand? Very easy, right? Let's practice some more. Let's read together. 달아요. 달아요. That means sweet. What about not sweet? Yes. 안 달아요. Repeat after me one more time. 안 달아요. That means not sweet. What about this one? If the taste is bitter, we say 써요. Repeat after me. 써요. One more time. 써요. That means taste bitter. What about not bitter? Yes. 안 써요. 안 써요. That means taste not bitter. Okay. What about this one? 먹었어요. Repeat after me one more time. 먹었어요. One more time. 먹었어요. That means I ate. Okay, this is the past form of 먹어요. Okay, 먹었어요 means ate something. And if you want to say you didn't eat, how can you say? Also, just simply put 안 before the word. Okay? Repeat after me. 안 먹었어요. 안 먹었어요. That means didn't eat. Okay. What about this word? 좋아해요. 좋아해요. That means you like. Okay. What about if you don't like something? How can you say? Yes, very easy. 안 좋아해요. One more time. 안 좋아해요. 안 좋아해요 means don't like. Now, let's practice speaking using the grammar 안. Okay? Please repeat after me. 오늘 날씨가 더워요. Okay, guy is asking. 오늘 날씨가 더워요. 오늘 means today. 날씨, the weather. 더워요, hot, right? So, is the weather hot today? Not says 아니요, 안 더워요. No, it's not hot. One more time. 아니요, 안 더워요. In this way, you can use 안. Okay, another example. Guy is asking, 아침 먹었어요? Let's read one more time. 아침 먹었어요? 아침 means breakfast. 먹었어요 means did you eat? So 아침 먹었어요, that means did you eat breakfast? Not says 아니요, 안 먹었어요. Let's read one more time. 아니요, 안 먹었어요. That means no, I didn't. I didn't eat. Let's practice one more conversation. Guy is asking, 어제 운동했어요? One more time. 어제 운동했어요? 어제 means yesterday. 운동했어요. That means did you exercise? So 어제 운동했어요. That means did you exercise yesterday? Not says 아니요, 운동 안 했어요. Let's read one more time. 아니요, 운동 안 했어요. 아니요, no, 운동 안 했어요. That means I didn't exercise. Quite simple, right? In this way, you can use 안. Okay, did you understand the grammar 안? I think you could understand. 안 is a very simple grammar, and we use 안 very often in our daily conversation. Okay, if this video helped you to learn Korean language, please don't forget to push the subscribe and like buttons. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. 감사합니다.